Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone 8 Plus with a cracked screen at the top. This client's going to be trading in their phone, so we're not going to put the water seal on there because they're going to trade it in and upgrade. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 12 minutes and 57 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 8 Plus. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and also YouTube. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.